You can now turn yourself into a Disney character that looks like you and talks like you in just a couple of minutes.
Yes, the video you just saw was created by AI, and today I'll be teaching you how to create it in just a few minutes using ChatGPT and HeyGen. So the first thing we want to do is grab a good picture of ourselves, and I'll be using the picture from this camera that you're watching right now. So once we have our image, I'll be using this one right here on the screen. We want to open up ChatGPT, and in case you don't know what ChatGPT is, even though I'm sure all of you do know, it is an app where you could chat with a large language model and it can answer all your questions and create images for you. So once we have ChatGPT open, we want to upload our image. And now that we have our image uploaded, we want to paste in this prompt. And the goal of our prompt is to be able to turn your image exactly how it looks into the Disney character style without changing too many things and still keeping your facial structure and shape intact while also adding this Disney stylization to it. So the prompt says, transform this subject in the image into a highly detailed 3D Pixar style character while preserving all the elements of the original photo, including the exact pose, clothing, facial structure, hairstyle, expression, lighting, camera angle, and background elements such as furniture, props, and environment. Apply a stylization that mimics Disney/Pixar's modern 3D character look, smooth rounded facial features, large expressive eyes, subtle skin texturing, and slightly exaggerated but realistic proportions. Use soft cinematic lighting with warm and cool tones, adding gentle glow effects and a polished digital finish. The environment should match the original setup exactly, but rendered in 3D Pixar realism. The final image should feel like a frame from a Disney animated film or a Pixar movie, vibrant, emotional, and studio quality with natural reflections and depth of field realism. Now, once you have this prompt copied down, we want to send it onto ChatGPT to create our Disney character for us. And while our image is generating, let's sign up for HeyGen for free real quick. Now, in order to sign up for HeyGen, all you have to do is give them your email and then choose which plan you want to use. They have the basic free plan for $0 a month, and you get 3 videos a month, up to 3 minutes of video with 720 video export. They also provide you with the standard video processing, which is how they create the videos for you. And you also get to create 3 avatar for videos per month, which is their new technology for creating an avatar video of you. Some of the features included are creating 1 custom video avatar, which is cloning yourself into a video avatar. And you can also use their 500 plus stock video avatars with 30 plus languages. Now, for $29 a month, you can actually get a lot more on your account, like unlimited video generations, videos up to 30 minutes long, 1080p video export, fast video processing, and 5 minutes of avatar for videos per month. Now, some of the things that are included with this package are, again, the 1 custom avatar video, the 1 custom interactive avatar. So this is kind of a live stream where you could talk back and forth with your avatar, 700 plus stock video avatars, voice cloning, 175 plus languages and dialect. You can also generate looks and have look packs, as well as remove the watermark that says HeyGen and have a brand kit. So for the purpose of this video, we can just choose the free plan, and then we'll go through a quick quiz that they ask us for our information. We'll do hobbyist, something else. For this last question of what you want to create first, let's do a fun and creative project and submit it. And there we go. Now we are on the homepage of HeyGen. Once we get to the homepage of HeyGen, we have a bunch of features we can use right here, but the feature we need for today's video is this one right here, photo to video with avatar 4. So once you click that, you get greeted with a little interface in order to create your video. And we have our photo drag and drop zone right here. We have our script zone right here, and then we have our custom motion right here. And now that we're familiar with this page, let's go check out the image that ChatGPT came up with for us. And here you go. This is the image that ChatGPT came up with. As you can see, this is the reference image that I sent in, and this is the image that it outputted. Now, as you can see, I kept a ton of the details from my original picture in this picture. Everything looks kind of realistic, but also Disney Pixar style at the same time. I love how this looks, and the only reason we're able to create this is because of this prompt right here. So make sure you use it word for word. But now that we have our picture, let's download it real quick and move over to HeyGen. What we want to do next is upload our image right here. And once we have our image uploaded right here, we want to go over here to the script and give it the script that we want. Now, because we wanted to use our own voice, the way to do it is upload a recording right here. So you can either upload pre-recorded audio or just record the audio here on the spot, which is what we're going to be doing today. And let's record our audio real quick. You can now turn yourself into a Disney character that looks like you and talks like you in just a couple of minutes. Now that we have our audio recorded, we want to press add audio right here, and it will add our audio file onto the script tab. And since this is a YouTube video, I want to make sure that my gestures are correct. So I'll just say that my hand movements are as if I'm talking on a YouTube video. Now, my gestures might be different than your gestures, but all you have to do is kind of give a brief description of what you want the gestures to be, and it'll typically get it pretty accurately. And now that we have our image here, our recording here, here and our gestures here. We want to generate our video and see what it comes up with. And there you go. As you can see, we have our generated video, and let's see what it looks like.
You can now turn yourself into a Disney character that looks like you and talks like you in just a couple of minutes.
Very cool. So now, as you saw, we generated a Disney version of ourselves that talks like us and looks like us with the same background and the same setting as the picture we took our scene at. So just a quick recap, we have our first step, which is upload an image of yourself to ChatGPT with the prompt I've included in the description. Then we want to sign up for HeyGen, either for the free plan or the paid plan, whichever fits your budget. Next, we want to upload the generated image from ChatGPT onto HeyGen. And once we have our image uploaded, we want to either upload a voice recording or record it through HeyGen. And this is for what the character will be saying. Once we have the voice recording done, we want to type in the gestures that we want the character to do. And then once we have that done, we want to press send, and then we have our video. Now, the use cases for a type of video like this are endless. You can use it in your marketing material. You can turn your kids into Disney characters. If you're really into this stuff, you can also make short films and you can have different angles of characters talking to each other. There are endless possibilities just using this simple little trick. And yeah, guys, now that you know how to do this, if you end up creating a Disney character of your own, please share it down below in the comments. I'd like to take a look at what you guys did. And if you liked the video, make sure you click the like button. And if you want to see more AI tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. We have tutorials coming out almost every day. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.